So let's try to convert Binance Java API wrapper into a dltHub Python connector. I know that this is possible, but now I have better cursor rules, or maybe worse, let's see, and I want to test it. Okay, seems it found the information that it needed. I'm not sure why it couldn't see it before. I have it added in documentation. Okay, this looks reasonable. Okay, so it looks like it didn't get the right paginator, so let's see if we can figure that out. So let's give it the pagination rule. Okay, so it says it's not actually a problem. That's fine. It means it's probably an endpoint with just one page, and that's fine. Okay, so it worked. Next time you need to convert the Java pipeline to Python, just try it.